Bullitt County in central Kentucky, Jefferson County in
Shut up.
Kentucky, northwestern Spencer County in central Kentucky until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:31 p.m.
Dude, alert! I just got an alert.
The radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
I'm not gonna copyright it, okay?
Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following effects are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams,
Yo!
urban areas, highways,
I think this might be a double header again. I don't know.
as well as other poor drainage and low
No, it's not.
areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Louisville, Jeffersonville, New Albany,
Louisville.
Jeffersontown, St. Matthews, Shively, Shepherdsville, Middletown, Douglas Hills, and Hurstburg. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.